Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Arif Nansi. I am now presenting my presentation about the millimeter wave massive MIMO antenna for the 6G technology. It is not invented yet, but I have tried my best for creating a antenna for this. This is by the help of the 5G technology from YouTube and the other AI website and other Google website. I have learned what is MIMO and massive and also the millimeter wave antenna. By combining the whole three types of antenna, it can be create the massive MIMO antenna for 6G. For the 5G technology, I have learned that the frequency level is from 24 gigahertz to 52 gigahertz. But for the 6G technology, the frequency level is so high. It's about the 100 gigahertz to 3 terahertz. By using the CST studio, I have created a small antenna for the 6G technology. I have learned it from the YouTube and other site how to create all this stuff from this from for the antenna. Firstly, I have used the brick for making this antenna, and I have created this CPWL. This brick, and I have named it. For to creating this brick, I have to input some value for Umax, Vmax, and Wmax, and for that preview button, I have entered some value for all these things. TP is also the thickness of the brick. Here I can show you, sir, the 3D image for of the brick. In this way, I have created the left side part and the right side part. After creating the CPWL for the left side and also creating the CRP for the right side, I have created a feed line for the antenna, which is also the main supplier for the antenna. I have also created a port for the antenna. After this, after after this, I have used brick for making this part of the antenna. Firstly, I have used a rectangular brick. I have taken a rectangular brick. Then I have created a triangular brick for cutting by using the boolean and by this part. After by this, I have cut this part and also the right side of part. After this part, I have also created a brick for this small angular part by using the curves. Curves I can create the it can help to create these types of brick. Then again I have used the boolean for cutting this whole part, and also this is measured by this. I have also entered value for every brick, and it has to create the perfection for making the whole antenna. After making this part, I have created the this angular part, and this angular part, if I make one part, I can use it, copy and rotate by using this transform part. Here this is not shown. I can show you, sir. Here, after selecting solid one part, I can transform it to any rotate, scale, or translate or mirror, and also increase the number of vector. And also I can get the angular information from this transform selected object. After this, I can show that it will be turned from here and copied. But sometimes the thickness of it will just on the upper side to for the rotating angular for to solve it. I have to use the minus sign to turn it back to its angular side. After making the one perfect antenna, I have created, I have increased the substrate value from this 16. I have inputted a small value before, but after making a whole antenna once, I have created this value and increased this value. For this, I have more space for creating more antenna. We know that in massive MIMO antenna there will be 64 plus antenna for the massive MIMO antenna. And for antenna for this, I have copied it by using the transform part, and also copied from the left and right side, and also I rotate it in the mirror side, and also and created the negative negative mirror of the antenna, and creating the whole line of the Mimo antenna. After this, I have just copied it and transformed from this antenna to the whole substrate. This is how I created my whole antenna design for the 6G technology. There is the others information for all the component or the antenna. I can also see a port type. I have used just added one port there, but for every two antenna there will be one port. In Mimo system, we can see for if there is 4x4 antenna, there will be 4 port. If there will be 6x6 antenna, there will be 6 port. This if the amount of antenna will be divided by 2 for the number of port, and also there will be mesh value. It will divide it by 2 and also give some information about the every axis and the values of the antenna. For the simulation part, I have tried to simulate whole antenna, but this app is by when I start it, the whole simulation showed some error for the 6G technology. It is not showing until there is the value how which I used for the antenna. Yes, I have used this part for making the port, and also you also used the dimension. Here the dimension is showing. I can create dimension from there. This is this is how I tried my best for making the 6G technology antenna for the 6G technology. Assalamu alaikum sir. This is my presentation.